Welcome back to the second video for today, and we will be doing condensing, and we're going to condense completely in this video. So we have our first problem here. We have 1 plus 3 log, and that is a common log to the base of 12, and then 5. Now what we want to do is, in the last video, we expanded, and now we're going to condense, so we're going to put it in that condensed format. See, now right off the bat we see that 1 there, and now the 1 is the product of what happens when there is a matchy-matchy situation. So we're gonna start with our expanded form, with our condensed form. Sorry about that. We start out with our condensed form with the base of 12. And then right off, we need our parentheses. Now, because the 1 is the product of a matchy-matchy, we need to have a 12 in there, because that is the base, so they will match. And then we're just going to have, just like before, the 5 is right there, and then the 3 would be the exponent. So it's 5 with the exponent of 3. And that is our answer. Moving along, we have our next problem right here. And now we're going to start off with our log to the base of 4. And now we, of course, need our parentheses. And now, because nothing here is negative, we're not going to be having a fraction. So it's all going to be on one level, because it's all positive. Excuse me. So we're just going to start out right here. You can see 5 is clearly to the exponent. We have a 5. And then times 6, again with the exponent 5. Now, this is not our final answer, actually. So what we want to do is we want to remove these 2 5s right here. And we are going to put it right there. And now this would be our final answer. And now moving on to our third problem. I'm sorry, I forgot to write it down there. So it'll be 4 log with the base of 7 y minus 2 log to the base of 7 again, 4 plus 4 log m minus log 7, 3. Now, as you can see here, this is a pretty lengthy problem. But to make it a little easier, what we're going to do is we're going to categorize these. And now how are we going to categorize these? Well, we're going to separate them into top and bottom for the fraction. So as you can see here, in the first one, we don't see a negative sign right here. So it has to be a positive. So this is going on the top. Then we see a negative sign here, so it's going to be on the bottom. And then we see a plus sign right there, so it's going to be top. And the last one here is going to be on the bottom. So now we want to start to assemble our problem, or our answer, sorry. Now we're going to have log to the 7. Now we need our parentheses, of course, like always. And now we can see here at the top, we have a y. So it's going to be y to the 4th, because like always, the exponent is out front. And now, to make our lives a little easier, we're going to go right to the second top, which is 4 with the common log, and then the base of 7, and then m. Now, we need to have our answer in alphabetical order. Now, that is very, very important. So, the m, of course, goes before the y. And it is to the 4th again. And now moving on to the bottom, we can see that we have 2 log with the base of 7 and then 4. And over here we have log with the base of 7 and then 3. Now, because 3 comes before 7, or sorry, it comes before 4, we are going to start off with the 3. And now, as we can see right here, there's no exponent right there. There's no exponent, so it would just be 3. So moving on over here, we have our answer up top, of course, which is right there. 2 log to the base of 7 and then 4. And that's what we're going to write. So times 4 to the second power. Now, this is not our final answer. This is a perfect. So we're going to take the 4 and do 2 to the 4th because we want to take 2 times 2 with the exponents. And so we're going to form our final answer, which would be log to the 7th base, parentheses, m to the 4th, and 1y to the 4th, all over 3 times 2 to the 4th. Now, excuse me. Now, if 3 had a 4 as an exponent, we would be able to just have a 4 right up here and remove all the 4's in the problem. But sadly, it doesn't, so we can't make that happen. But this is our final answer. Thank you.